Duck brand offers a variety of window kits, each with a few important differences. Find out how to choose the best solution for your next project. There are two types of window kits: standard shrink film and roll-on. Standard shrink film window kits feature clear shrink film that has to be cut to size before applied. Roll-on window kits also feature clear shrink film, but come with a pre-taped top edge to save time. So no measuring needed. Simply apply to your window and cut off any excess film. Both types of film are shrunk to size with a hairdryer and are easy to remove. They are also available in max strength with puncture-resistant shrink film, which is great for homeowners with pets or young kids. Our kits are available in 3, 5, and 10 packs, and we also offer extra large kits for standard patio windows or larger windows. Ready to start your project? Visit duckbrand.com to learn how to install window kits.